Hi, my name is Cristian Espinosa Velasco. I'm a student of the virtual UMB in the subject of pre-intermediate English. My alter ego, Barack Obama. Barack Obama is sharing with the American cultures, led with humility and rated sunnis, loyalty and love for what you love. I may become very influential in my company. I would like to have international experience with my company in relation to sports. I may receive a promotion at my job because of my performance. I might still be happy with the beautiful family I am forming. My leadership and way of seeing things make my feel identify with this very influential man. Thank you so much.